मेघालय के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री ने बुधवार को पूर्वी खासी हिल्स के उपायुक्त डीसी ईसावंदा लालू के उस कदम का बचाव किया जिसमें लालू ने शहर के दुकानदारों को अपनी दुकानों को खोलने की अनुमति तभी जाएगी जब दुकानदारों और विक्रेताओं ने कोविड का टीकाकरण लिया हो, जिसके बाद लालू सोशल मीडिया पर ट्रोल होने लगी जिसमें लोगों ने लालू के बयान को जबरदस्ती वाला कदम बताया, जिस पर स्वास्थ्य मंत्री एएल हैक ने ईकेएचडीसी के डराने धमकाने वाले कदम के बाद लोगों की तीखी आलोचना को कम करते हुए कहा कि हम लोगों इवडू के दुकानदारों से बचाव के लिए खुद को टीका लगवाने की अपील कर रहे हैं, खुद को और उपभोक्ताओं को, क्योंकि वह एक दिन में सैकड़ों लोगों से मिलते हैं। उन्होंने यह भी कहा कि दुकानदारों को अपना टीकाकरण प्रमाण पत्र प्रदर्शित करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया गया ताकि अन्य भी इससे प्रेरित हों।
Just appeal to the people. Okay. Why we need the shopkeepers to take the vaccinations? Because they are meeting hundreds of consumers to protect themselves and also to protect the consumers. We have told them it's good for you, it's good for us people, and good for the state. You should be vaccinated and also display your vaccination certificates. So that what they have been doing in the West Cassins. Now the video had made their own strategy. Those have completed 2 doses, one among them, not everyone. One among them, maybe through the Lakindra and all, will be rewarded 10,000 rupees. So the same thing we have to apply a mind to welcome people to take the vaccines. Okay, that's why we had appeal also through the church elders. You have heard about also the statement given by the Pastor Lyndon Sim. You have heard also the statement given by Father Banas Mauri. This is all the appeals that we have made.
Sir, but it has attracted sharp criticism after the DC yesterday said that in Yodo, only those who are vaccinated will be allowed to open the shop.
See, we have left it to the wisdom of the Deputy Commissioner to use their wisdom to encourage people to take the vaccinations. So this is, we have discussed also in the review meeting. This is not only the decision taken by the Deputy Commissioner. Okay, you know why? We told that when the shopkeepers opening the shop, they are meeting hundreds of the consumers. So if they are taking the vaccinations, means they are protecting themselves, and also you are protecting the consumers also at the same time. Also while display is saying, while you display your certificate, like suppose now I have already taken my vaccination, I have displayed my certificate. So that is encouraging and also motivating the others to take their vaccinations.
But so like instead of appealing and encouraging people to come forward for vaccination, DC has made it mandatory that if you don't take vaccines from 24th, no one will be allowed to take shots.
And just to add, people are saying that this is amounts to blackmailing.
No, there's nothing about here. There's so many strategy. You know, we have seen in so many apps when they are feeding the children, the kids, they have to give some toys. You have to give some good song, so to fit the baby also. So that is all the strategies. You have not seen that ads. You see the ads there. Every day is there in the ad.
So
10,000.
A 10,000 rupee award. That is like almost amounting to like how they've said blackmailing, and this is encouraging. Like this is not a right strategy if we look at it. So
now, how you are saying? See, I'm telling you that is the wisdom of the respective districts. They are doing the good job. If they are doing the wrong thing, we also will not agree. Where they are doing to motivate the people, to encourage the people. This is not only the DC. Everybody are doing. We are doing their own wisdom. We are using to encourage people, motivating people to take the vaccine. Why you are taking in the different sense? Take it in the positive sense.
there still lacks a lot of like awareness to
There is no lack of awareness. We have used all means for awareness. We have seen song also been this release. You have seen the speeches of so many doctors. You have seen the speeches of so many doctors giving the speeches to motivate people. The PA system not there also in all the Darbar Ashram and all the villages, but everybody has having the mobile phone. Through YouTube, through Facebook, so many other social networking, it has been published this kind of awareness. If they are seeing and not reach, I don't believe. But those who don't want to accept, it is up to it depend on the individual.
Then he also mentioned that spreading awareness for vaccination should be taken on a ward footing. Like if politicians can go door to door during political campaigns, why not during vaccination awareness? Like even the KHDC, everybody involved.
If you ask
Meghalaya Health Minister on Wednesday defended the move of the Deputy Commissioner (DC) of East Khasi Hills, Iswanda Lalu, who had earlier issued an order ordering stores and businesses to have their staff. Meghalaya Health Minister on Wednesday defended the move of the Deputy Commissioner (DC) of East Khasi Hills, Iswanda Lalu, who had earlier issued an order ordering stores and businesses to have their staff vaccinated by June 24 in order to reopen. Health Minister Al-Haq, while downplaying the sharp criticism from the people after the intimidating move of the EKHDC, which almost feels like forcing the people to get vaccinated, said that we are just appealing to the people, shop owners at Yeavdu, to get themselves vaccinated to protect themselves and the consumers as they meet with hundreds of people in a day.
Union Health Minister saying that the government of Meghalaya is forcing